Let's imagine that this is part of a real design job, and very early on in your work you need to save the work that you're doing and put it in an appropriate place. So let's go File and Save As, and gCADPlus will jump out to its own folder in the My Documents folder. Let me just go up a little, so it's in the My Documents folder, gCADPlus, and we put a folder there called Jobs. Double click on that Jobs, and so in 2018 there is no job there, but in 2019 there's job 1, job 2, and weekly front garden, a little test drawing for you to play with. Well, let's give this one a more meaningful name. So we'll call this one Byte. Byte 01. We're trying to give you small little bite-sized movies to show you how to work with gCADPlus. So we'll save it, and then we can close gCADPlus. Now we're at the opening screen. We can click on this red R, Recent Files, and there's Byte 1, so we can open it up. Another thing that we'd like to introduce at this stage is the increment and save option on the standard toolbar. If I click it, the drawing has been saved as Byte 01 _ 01. The suffix increments each time the command is used. That's a very handy tool when you're working on complex plans, trying out design ideas, and you'll often want to go back to an earlier design idea. So if you just use that green plus sign from time to time, you can easily step back to earlier versions of your design. So I hope that's enough. Let's close that one, and we'll go back to Recent, and there's Byte 1. But if we cancel from there and we say Open, there's Byte 1 _ 01. Open it up, save it again, and the drawing is now Byte 1 _ 02. So there's that lovely audit trail when you are working.